Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start now, open Warzone and sign into your Activision ID so progression syncs. Once done, confirm you meet the base player level requirement and have any weapon unlock tokens saved. Next, navigate to the arsenal, then weapons, then the sniper rifles list. You do not need to grind every match first. Instead, focus on the specific weapon slot. Select the HDR entry and check the unlock requirements shown. That initiates the only path available to obtain the HDR on your account. Now execute the required unlock route shown for HDR. If it's tied to the battle pass, earn or buy the necessary tiers and claim the weapon from the pass menu. That immediately adds HDR to your inventory. If it's level-based, focus on high XP activities like contracts, objective plays, and multi-kill sequences to speed weapon level progression. If the store option appears, purchase it directly and confirm the transaction. Make sure to track progress in the arsenal so you know when the unlock triggered. Finish by equipping HDR from your arsenal and opening Gunsmith to set optics, barrel, and attachments for the playstyle you want. Once equipped, test it in a private match or plunder to confirm functionality. If HDR doesn't show after claiming, sign out and back into your Activision account, restart the game, and check transaction history. If you purchased it, ensure the purchase is listed. Then contact Activision support with receipts. That restart, or resync, resolves most missing weapon issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.